Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei Device to Huawei Nova 11i. First of all, open App Gallery on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to choose Send at the bottom left corner of Huawei smartphone and Receive next to Send at the bottom of Huawei Nova. Also on Huawei Nova, scroll down just a bit and pick the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to this Huawei smartphone. By tapping on all of the categories located at the top, you'll be able to choose all of your files that you wish to send. When you finished, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom. I will go with only one photo, so I have to click on it and click on Send the same way. Now select Got It in the pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide on Huawei Nova. Then allow camera access in the pop-up. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key in Input Key section instead and connect thanks to Receive button. So when I do that and hit Receive, I can see that my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!